Hey, welcome back to the Move Shop. Yeah, believe it or not, I'm building a pallet. So what's happening here on the West Coast, and I don't know if you know this or not, but there's a shortage of pallets. There is a huge shortage of pallets. Matter of fact, if this was an animal, it'd be on the endangered species list on the West Coast. So what's happening is all the stuff is going to the East Coast, and none of the pallets are coming back. They don't know why. So there's this group called Pallet Piece that organized to help out the pallet manufacturers to keep up with the shortage on here in the West Coast. So what they're asking you to do is, hey boss, they just dropped off 50 more out front. All right, we'll get the crew and let's get them in the back. What's that? So what I think I'll do is I'll get the crew and we'll get them into the back. Sounds like a good idea. I'll get right on that. So what happens is they send you this kit, and this kit comes with pre-cut wood, and it comes with directions, and hang on, let me grab that for you. Hang on. Hey, get back here. Come here. What? Give me that. I'm taking it to the back. Give me that. Take it to the back. I want to show, give me this. You said to take it to the back. I want to show the people the kit. Give it to me. Oh, jeez. My gosh. That guy, I swear, that guy. So anyways, this is what I was talking about. Pre-cut, you got your nails, you got your directions. All you have to do is assemble them. When you put them together, you put them out front, they'll pick them up, they'll drop off more if you want. So, if you could just do a few, that'd be great. If you could do a lot, that'd be awesome too. It'll help out the cause. Until we find out what's happening. Why aren't they returning from the East Coast? Something over there is just gobble them all up. And so what I want you to do, down below, I'll leave all the links for everything you need to do to sign up. Every little bit helps. So please do so. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.